Okay. So, um, quick overview of what I'm going to talk about is so first some introduction about me and dovecot, and then I'll talk about some quick prototypes that I developed for like in just only a few hours or days or something, and then hopefully some demoing. And for those demos, I'm using my Gmail account. So you can, if you want to see your some test emails or something on the screen, you can send some test emails to that Gmail account. And hopefully you won't break any of my tests. But okay, so uh, I've been coding for a really long time, and I've been, yeah. So I guess my biggest first big open source project was IRC client. Uh, except I haven't really done anything about it for, I don't know, 8 years or something. But so, okay, dovecot was the next thing, and it's almost 10 years ago. And then, since then, I've been working on dovecot for a while now, and finally I created a company. If you want some kind of dovecot support, you can now buy it. Okay, so what is dovecot? It's mainly an IMAP server. There's also some other stuff like POP3 and managed sieve and sieve in general. And actually, well, dovecot 2.0 is really, really flexible. So if you are thinking about creating some kind of server which requires authentication, it's possible to just create a plugin or some kind of external package. So this IMAP adapter is basically just another mail storage backend, except it works as an IMAP client to a remote IMAP server. So you can do a lot of stuff using that, and all of my prototype stuff is I'm demoing through dovecot's IMAP adapter stuff, which goes to Gmail IMAP. Okay, so first thing is this. Yeah, you can, for example, I mean, yeah, dovecot has a lot of email code. If you want, like, sure, it's an IMAP server, email server, but because it has a lot of email parsing stuff and so on, you can just as well use it to build an email client if you want to. And I developed this in only a couple of hours. It's a pretty stupid pretty stupid email client. I was kind of I remember this MH mail client a long time ago, so I kind of took some of its commands and made the script use them. So, for example, well, yeah, nice thing about this is that dovecot has all these different functions, so it's really simple to do stuff like converting emails from whatever character set format to UTF-8. And yeah, this is completely a shell script and dovecadm tool. There's some UTF-8. If you don't put the UTF-8, then it comes in whatever original format it was. So pretty simple things. So hope maybe like it doesn't seem like a lot of people are interested in writing email servers, but maybe someone might be interested in using dovecot's code to build an email client or something. So it would be nice to get more developers. Okay, so there's a bunch of things that dovecot offers for email client developers, indexing, caching. With caching, it means like there's in IMAP, like IMAP clients already can ask from dovecot to like give me this and this and this header. So to make it efficient, dovecot uses these cache files and puts those headers that the client is interested about to those cache files. So basically, you can do the same thing automatically with if you develop an email client with dovecot. And full text search indexes. IMAP has really great search queries. You can use them as well and other stuff. Okay, another prototype was this. My friend really wanted to write an email client, but he didn't want to. He didn't want to learn IMAP protocol. So I kind of, yeah, I'll just build some, I don't know, some stupid protocol that you can use so that you can get emails as XML. And he was really happy about this. So if you are interested in writing an IMAP protocol replacement, you can really easily do this with dovecot. I actually just took the dovecot's POP3 code and then just kind of hacked these commands so that all the error messages are actually coming as POP3 errors. But anyway, so yeah, this is pretty normal XML. And a third thing is this. You can use the dovecot's IMAP adapter stuff in a way that it allows passing the mails through some kind of a filter. And the filter is some kind of script. And with the script, you can do pretty much anything you want. So I built this prototype that takes a PGP encrypted mail and then decrypts it and shows it. Really simple script, 25 lines. Okay, so we have 5 minutes of demoing time, hopefully. Okay, so this is the DMH kind of email client, pretty stupid email client, but anyway. So this should fetch some emails from my Gmail account. No, DMH. Of course it's not working. Oh, it's in the wrong network. It doesn't have very good error recovery. Okay, let's see, maybe some, no. Yeah, you have sent some emails to me. Okay, and see that there's UTF-8 works just fine. So, and then it gets the first email. Second, a little bit slow because, well, it seems like, well, Gmail is a little bit slow, at least to connect from here. Oh, thanks. Okay, some HTML. Well, yeah, there's no HTML parsing in dovecot. Okay, apparently there's some Unicode message somewhere. Okay, so what else? The next demo. Okay, well, let's try the XML. Actually, I was supposed to use this maybe if it shows up better. Oh, actually, I'll show the dovecot wasn't even running when I was using the DMH client. It's using this kind of a configuration file. There's like, here's the where it connects and, well, SSL stuff and some other stuff. What was I doing? Right, the XML IMAP stuff. Oh, actually, I have to, yeah, not a very good error recovery. Okay. So, yeah, it says you have 8 messages. And then I can get some kind of headers of them. And pretty normal XML stuff. Fetching a body. And it's there. Okay. And yeah, it kind of supports pretty much the same as IMAP idle, that push mail. If someone right now sent me an email, then it should at least send this XML thing here about the new mail. Okay, and final demo about the PGP thing. First, this shows that, yeah, okay, there's this PGP encrypted email. And this is how it normally shows up. But if I enable where do I enable it? Here, I think. Okay, mail filter plugin enabled. And now if I do the same thing, it should decrypt it. Yeah. So the yeah, so it's right. The nice thing about, like, if you could, for example, use this if you wanted to like support PGP in some kind of email client that doesn't natively support PGP, and you don't really trust your email server to actually decrypt the mails. So you can use this kind of dovecot IMAP adapter in the middle, like maybe put it in your home computer or something, and that thing, your home computer, hopefully is secure enough to trust your PGP keys. And well, that's pretty much it. I'll give, yeah.